The gadgets of today are more powerful than ever before, and it really feels like there's a device for every need. These gadgets transform our homes, making them safer, more efficient, and far more enjoyable. In this video, we'll show you 21 home gadgets that can enhance your everyday life. Let's get started. Transform your caulking projects with the professional-grade Saker Sealant finishing tool, combining 3 essential functions in one convenient device. This versatile tool integrates an internal angle scraper, flat angle scraper, and silicone smoother to help you remove old sealant, apply fresh caulk, and achieve a flawlessly smooth finish in one streamlined process. Constructed from premium materials, the Saker 3-in-1 caulking tool features a sharp stainless steel blade for durable strength when removing old caulk, a precision silicone trowel for eliminating surface imperfections, and specialized white silicone pads that create perfectly smooth application lines without the need for masking tape. Transform your bathroom's appearance with these charming ROTUHEY frog porcelain toilet bolt covers. Featuring a fun and unique frog-shaped design, these decorative caps completely conceal unsightly, rusty toilet bolts while adding a whimsical touch to your bathroom decor. Each package includes 2 small ceramic frogs measuring 2.6 by 2.9 inches, perfectly sized to fit most toilet fixtures. Their universal design accommodates standard toilet bolts up to 1 to 16 inches, ensuring compatibility with most toilet models. Transform your ordinary ceiling fan into a powerful air purification system with barnakl activated coconut carbon filters. These attachments work silently with your existing fan to provide energy-efficient, continuous air cleaning in bedrooms, living rooms, and anywhere your family deserves cleaner air. Experience the natural purifying power of unscented, odorless coconut shell carbon, a renewable resource with a lightweight, microporous structure that effectively traps a wide range of airborne contaminants. Say goodbye to bulky, noisy air purifiers while enjoying the same benefits. Transform your drinking experience with the Ionibloom flexible and easy sip extendable silicone straws. Stretching a remarkable 35 inches, the premium silicone straws feature a patent-pending design that enhances drinking flexibility and convenience for your entire family. Enjoy unmatched versatility in any situation, whether you're driving, working at your desk, or relaxing in bed. The ingenious design allows you to easily detach the straw from your cup lid for a quick sip and reattach it when not in use, eliminating the need to constantly lift your heavy tumbler. Transform bath time into worry-free playtime with the Tub Topper Bathtub Splash Guard. Featuring 10 powerful suction cups that create an extreme hold, this clever solution hugs your bathtub tightly, preventing water from splashing or leaking underneath. Experience expanded play space with the thoughtfully designed extension that reaches beyond the bathtub edge, while the integrated lip dips down into the tub to ensure water stays exactly where it belongs. The high walls surrounding the play area create an effective water barrier, keeping your bathroom floors completely dry. Experience superior pain relief with FlexiKold Gel Soft Flexible Ice Packs, featuring a proprietary gel interior that stays colder longer than ordinary ice packs. This design creates the ideal reusable cooling solution for various injuries and pain conditions. Unlike rigid ice packs, FlexiKold's unique gel formula remains pliable even when frozen, allowing it to comfortably conform to any body part. Whether you're treating wisdom teeth swelling, elbow injuries, or aiding muscle recovery for knees, back, shoulders, hips, or neck pain, this versatile pack delivers targeted cooling therapy. Keep your belongings securely in place with MaxSparkling Life Versatile Clips, featuring a practical large opening design and powerful clamping force. Constructed from durable ABS material with built-in carbon steel elastic springs, these clips deliver long-lasting elasticity and superior grip that won't easily release your items. These versatile clips can securely attach to rods up to 1.33 inches in diameter, making them perfect for a wide range of applications. The specialized inner grip teeth design significantly increases friction, keeping your items firmly in place without slipping. Make a positive environmental impact with Silkyhose scrub sponges, the eco-friendly cleaning solution for your kitchen. Crafted from biodegradable white cellulose and natural coconut fiber scrubbers, these sustainable sponges offer a meaningful alternative to traditional cleaning products while helping protect our planet. Experience gentle yet effective cleaning power that's safe for all your surfaces. The soft texture provides non-scratch cleaning for delicate glassware and ceramic dishes, while still effectively removing stubborn grease, dirt, and grime. Their highly absorbent nature quickly soaks up liquids for efficient cleaning. Transform your limited wall outlets with the versatile ETwinCoo flat wall outlet extender. This innovative three-way rotatable socket converter easily turns a single indoor ungrounded outlet into three, available in 4 vibrant colors: yellow, green, blue, and rose red. Experience the convenience of space-saving design with this compact 2-prong outlet extender that accommodates even large adapter-shaped plugs. The 180-degree rotating Type A flat wall plug can be adjusted to different angles, preventing obstruction of nearby outlets while keeping all connected devices close to the wall for a clutter-free appearance. It's the perfect solution for hard-to-reach outlets behind couches or beds. Say goodbye to fumbling with your phone or touch-sensitive earbuds with the Chubby Buttons Bluetooth remote. This essential accessory features oversized buttons designed for easy use even when wearing gloves or mittens. Compatible with all smartphones, music apps, headphones, and Bluetooth speakers. This versatile remote lets you launch Siri or Google Assistant, answer calls, control your music, and even take selfies remotely. Built for rugged, all-weather use, the Chubby Buttons remote is water-resistant to withstand snowy slopes, rain-soaked roads, and steamy bathrooms, making it perfect for action sports and active lifestyles. Featuring a reinforced design with strong, dense mesh and sturdy binding, this durable hamper won't tear even with heavy loads. The reinforced carry handles ensure reliable performance during every use. Built with thick, breathable fabric supported by a strong yet collapsible steel frame, this lightweight basket allows air to circulate freely, preventing moisture buildup and eliminating those unpleasant laundry odors. Save valuable space with its ingenious folding design. Simply collapse it into a flat circle when not in use. When expanded, its generous 22.8 by 14.2 by 14.2 inch capacity easily accommodates multiple loads of laundry, toys, or household items. Meet the ultimate couch potato, a playful insulated cooler bag designed for perfect relaxation during movie nights. This clever companion stores up to 6 cans while featuring convenient pockets for snacks, phones, and remotes, plus an integrated bottle opener attachment. This cooler is more than just a plush potato. It's an insulation extraordinaire that keeps your favorite drinks perfectly chilled, eliminating those interruptions when you need a refill. No more pressing pause just to grab a cold beverage. Experience revolutionary comfort with EVITA PERONI hairbands, specially designed for eyewear compatibility. The innovative curved sides perfectly accommodate glasses or sunglasses legs, allowing you to wear both accessories simultaneously without interference. Crafted from highly elastic acetate resin, these premium headbands naturally adjust to your head shape for a secure, comfortable fit. Initial size measures 0.39 by 5.5 inches with an included fixator to help achieve your perfect fit over time. Elevate your cooking with the VONDIOR Fat Separator, the perfect kitchen tool for creating healthier gravies, soups, and sauces quickly and effortlessly. Experience multiple functions with this improved bottom release separator that works with both hot and cold liquids. The built-in strainer efficiently removes clumps, fat, and pulp, while the convenient red button on the handle allows you to release only the clear liquid when needed. Crafted with premium quality materials, this leak-free clear plastic separator features a plastic filter lid and silicone drip plug for controlled liquid release. Transform ordinary containers into perfect pouring pitchers with the original patented ZpillSafe funnel. This kitchen tool easily installs on most 2 to 4 inch diameter liquid containers with regular wall thickness, creating a controlled pouring spout that's simple to use and clean. Designed for optimal functionality on straight-walled containers with thickness greater than 0.10 inches, this funnel creates a secure, tight fit that prevents drips and spills. This versatile funnel fits a wide range of containers, including mason jars, blender cups, coffee mugs, and glass storage containers, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Elevate your kitchen experience with the thetchry cutting board, generously sized at 17 by 12 inches, 2 inches longer than most competitors. This thoughtfully designed dimension, based on feedback from cooking enthusiasts, offers the perfect workspace for all your chopping, slicing, and dicing needs. Crafted from strong, durable acacia and rubber wood, this butcher block breaks away from conventional designs with its vibrant end-grain pattern that adds a splash of color to your kitchen. Experience versatility and convenience with the built-in carrying handles that allow effortless transfer of ingredients from countertop to stove. Transform your coffee experience with the OXO Brew Rapid Brewer, your solution for exquisite concentrated coffee anywhere in just 5 minutes or less. This lightweight, portable coffee maker eliminates the need for long cafe lines and overpriced barista brews, putting premium coffee in your hands. Enjoy remarkable versatility with the ability to brew both hot concentrated coffee in just 2 minutes or refreshing cold brew in 5 minutes, adapting to your taste preferences, the weather, or your mood. The built-in stainless steel filter eliminates the need for messy paper filters, creating a more convenient and eco-friendly brewing experience. Transform your countertop experience with the LuxStep dish drying mat, featuring exceptional water absorption that keeps surfaces perfectly dry while enhancing your daily cooking routine. This mat effectively wicks away moisture, protecting your countertops from water damage. This versatile, lightweight drying pad extends beyond kitchen use. Place it anywhere protection is needed, from bathrooms to beneath vases, sinks, or on shelves. Its multi-purpose design makes it an essential accessory throughout your home. Experience exceptional cutting power with ARCHIKING kitchen shears, crafted from premium quality materials designed for superior durability that withstands heavy daily use without wearing down. The impressive 3.7-inch razor-sharp blades effortlessly cut through all food items, including poultry, meat, vegetables, and herbs with precision and ease, making food preparation quicker and more efficient. Enjoy comfortable, strain-free cutting with the lightweight, ergonomic design that fits perfectly in your hand. The thoughtfully engineered grip allows for extended use without fatigue, making these shears ideal for both professional and home chefs. Elevate your cheese serving experience with the Fox Run Marble Cheese Slicer. Crafted from 100% genuine marble with a premium stainless steel wire cutter and lever. Each piece showcases the natural elegance of stone with unique patterns and colorations that make your slicer one of a kind. Enjoy the practical benefits of marble's natural stay-cool surface with its inherent non-stick properties. This makes it the ideal platform for cutting and serving all varieties of cheese, whether you're preparing appetizers, snacks, an antipasti tray, charcuterie board, or the perfect sandwich. Transform your windows with Volcanics window privacy film, featuring no-adhesive design that significantly reduces chemical release. This user-friendly film applies in minutes and adheres firmly to glass surfaces without messy glues or complicated installation. Enjoy worry-free application with this remarkable film that removes cleanly without leaving residue behind. Even better, the durable material can be reused, making it an excellent value for changing decor needs or multiple locations.